This video is going to be an updated review on the Passive Income Accelerator program. If you want to look at my first review of the program, it's right here on my channel. I posted about a month ago. So I've been in the program for about 2 months so far. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, the Passive Income Accelerator program is a program created by Passive Income Templates. The owner of that channel is named Laura, and she is truly incredible. She is very kind, an amazing resource for KDP. This program shows you how to make money with Amazon KDP without using ads. She focuses on the organic method and has tons of YouTube videos on this content already that is free, but this program is paid. So before I get too much into it, just as a reminder, I am an affiliate for the Passive Income Accelerator program. I wasn't an affiliate until I realized how amazing this program truly is and decided that I want to share it with other people. So I'm still going to give an honest review, and whether or not you believe me is totally up to you, but I'm always do my best to try to be transparent. So I want to show you my orders and everything like that first, just to show you a visual of how this business has truly changed my KDP journey. And you'll also get a sneak peek of my current September report because I can't really avoid that. So I changed this to lifetime, which means as long as I've been on KDP so far. And I started in late December. It says December 24th, 2021. Currently have 203 books, and I've had a total of 222 units ordered. So I bought the Passive Income Accelerator program on June 14th, I believe, to be exact. So you can see my orders and how they have drastically shifted starting June. So I didn't really get any more than 20 orders except for February until July 2022, where I got 55 orders. And then in August 2022, I got, I believe, 90. And so far for September, I think I have 8 or so. So I'm going to give you a different visual here. Let's look at the last 90 days. This will show you pretty much about when I bought the program to now. So you can see June 14th is right before I have the first line here of sales, and I have 166 units ordered. So that's how many books I've had ordered since I purchased and started using this program. So that's incredible to me. So to give you an idea of what the royalties for that many orders are, let me go to the Royalties Estimator tab, because I know a lot of people are worried about the investment. The program, I believe, is $199 right now. And I know that that's a lot of money. When I bought the program, I think it was $119 because I got it on pre-sale and it was before it was launched out to everybody or something. So I definitely got it cheaper. But looking at the last 90 days, I've earned a total of $363.72. And so the program has paid itself back more than once. I bought it for $119, so it's paid itself back 3 times already in a matter of 2 months. So that's pretty incredible to me. Let's see, it's probably about 2.5 months. I bought it June 14th. It's currently September 4th. So July, August, and then we're into September. So about 2.5 months. And I know the program's $199 right now, but even if it was $199, I still would have paid it back and almost doubled that already. So to me, it is definitely worth it in that respect. And let me just show you my old reports, like the old reports visual, so then I can actually show you the numbers here. Right on June 14th, this is when I bought the program. So there was nothing before, at least for this time. And then all of these orders came in. So I remember sitting here and just praying. I had like a little gray line and everything like that. And when it didn't come, I would get so sad. And when I got one sale, I'd be so excited. And there's nothing wrong with that. But I never dreamt that I would ever have a KDP report that looked like this with all these lines and orders. And I'm not saying that to brag or flex or anything. I'm totally not doing that. I mean, I'm making a couple $100. I'm not making a couple $1,000, but either way, I'm not one to brag. I just want to show you that anybody can do this and it's possible. And I showed you my previous orders and I wasn't really making sales. I was making under 20 sales for majority of months until I bought this program. So I just want to show you these facts, the data, to see that buying this program truly did change my business for the better, in my opinion, and has been what has allowed me to make so much more money. So moving on to the actual program itself, Once you buy the program, you'll have access to all of the different modules. There's a total of 27 lessons. I've completed all of them. She starts with a bunch of resources, goes into the organic sales method, and then all the different modules, like an idea, what book you want to create, researching, what book you're doing, designing, uploading. And then she has more resources and then a bonus vault. And I can't go in and show you every single thing because this is a paid course and I don't own it. I'm just an affiliate. So I can't really reveal all of the information. That wouldn't be right. But I can give you the ideas of the topics here. And there's also a private Facebook group. You can join it. There's a button here at the top. And I also think it's in one of the modules, and anybody can become an affiliate. It's free to become an affiliate as long as you have bought the program. But that's totally optional. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. But in the Facebook group, Laura is a resource there. You can ask any questions. Other people can help you answer them, or Laura will help answer them. And I've definitely asked many questions before. She does a lot of encouragement posts as well, and it's really just been truly helpful. And if you click on my affiliate link below, it'll bring you to a page just like this. And this is a page that Laura has created. And she kind of just goes over why people buy this program or why you should buy this program and all of the information that's inside of it. So if you're struggling to make sales and you don't want to spend money on ads or you don't understand what's going wrong with your books, then this would be great. So module 1 is ideate. This is creating ideas. There's 3 lessons. She gives also a bunch of different low content book ideas and different techniques in order to come up with an idea, and then research. I think module 2 research is really what changed my KDP business. I feel like I had a really good grasp of the basics of how to create a book, which has been really, really helpful. But what I struggled with the most was niche research and keywords, which goes hand in hand with kind of all the back end stuff, the titles, descriptions, things like that. And so I think having the research help definitely benefited my business because I don't think I had the best niches before. And once I figured out how to validate a niche and what books to actually create, that's when I started seeing the money coming in. I didn't really change how I created my interiors or covers. They're very similar to what I did before. But the main difference is what topic I'm creating or what book I'm creating. That's the difference for me, is what keywords I'm using. And so I think this module 2 research has been the most beneficial out of the entire program. And that's just my own experience and opinion on that. So everybody's going to be different of where they're struggling. But having this program showed me where I was weak and where I was strong and what needed work and what I was already doing pretty well at. And I think that really kicked my business up a notch. So this module is definitely my favorite. And then design, super helpful, goes over how to design your book, your interior and your cover, and then upload. I really love this one too because uploading was really confusing to me in the beginning and nobody really explained it in full detail to me. But this was step by step. And I mean, there's 7 lessons here, over 20 minutes of videos, goes over different descriptions, pricing strategies. Like literally, this was so helpful. And then she also has that bonus vault, which I'm not sure if I can say what it is, but let me just say that bonus vault has a ton of great information that is just so helpful. Like I'm not even sure how else to go into that. Oh wait, actually she literally just says the bonus vault right here, so I can tell you. It says exclusive pay in full bonus strategy and action. Watch me create a low content book. So the bonus vault is her creating an actual low content book, like how she comes up with the idea, how she designs her book, and how she does all the keywords, description, title, everything like that. She goes into all of the details. And watching her create a book from start to finish helped me so much, like in full detail. And in the Facebook group, I can ask her any questions that I have. So this by far has been the most clear and concise and descriptive, like tutorials and information I have ever really seen. And she makes money like this. Like this is one of her income reports, $14,000 in Canada, and she has 161 books. That's for, let's like her lifetime from April 24th, 2021 to June 28th, 2022. So, and she doesn't run ads. Like, this is all organic. And then these are people's reviews. And I believe this one is actually my review right here. And you can see that where I drew the line is when I bought the program. So you can see before I had some random sales sporadically, and then my sales started getting more consistent and a lot more of them. And there's just so much information. So I highly recommend checking it out. And she also has a 14-day money-back guarantee. So let me just show you the pricing. We get $199 in full, immediate access to everything. Let me show you the actual 14-day. Let's see right here. Remember, there's a 14-day do the work money-back guarantee. So you literally have nothing to lose is what she wrote here. And this is what made me buy the program. When I bought the program, I told myself I was going to publish 20 books. And if they didn't sell, if it wasn't working, then I knew the program wasn't good or this wasn't for me. Her requirements, if I'm correct, definitely double check before you sign any paperwork, is you have to do at least one book and prove that you followed all of her methods. And honestly, that's an incredible deal. Okay. Like, you can definitely do that. So if this program is horrible and it doesn't work for you, you get your money back. So there's absolutely nothing to lose here. There's only things to gain, because you could join this program and it could be what changes your business, like how it changed my business. And now you're making a couple $100s a month and you have a path to success and all the tools that you need. So although you spent the money, you should be making it back. But if it doesn't work, then you can get a refund. So, I mean, I don't really think there's much risk here, but you do have to make sure you prove that you did the work and everything like that and read all the rules. But I think that it's amazing. Now, to give my honest opinion on whether or not you should buy this program, I can't say yes or no because I don't know who you are. I don't know if I'm talking to someone who's going to take this business seriously, who's going to listen and go over all these modules once or twice or 3 times and truly put in the effort. I don't know if you're just going to make a random book and loosely follow this and then say it doesn't work. Like, I don't know who you are and your motivations and how you are. And I mean, she even goes over it here. This is not for you if you want to get rich overnight, or if you think this won't be effort, or if you want someone to do work for you, if you're not open to trying new things. And if you're focused on just creating thousands of books and not even trying to do the research and the niche research and all of the other work that goes into it. But this is for you. If you want to change your approach to KDP, if you want to generate a consistent income, if you want to change your strategies, if you want to truly try to make this work, be committed to the business, I think this is for you. But it's not for everybody. And I'm being blunt and honest about that. This program is not for everybody. Not everyone learns this way. Some people have a hard time learning from a computer screen and watching videos, and that's okay. Some people just don't learn like that, and some don't want to do this method. Her strategy is different from other people's, and it doesn't mean you can't be successful if you don't do it her way. But her way is going to require patience, time, hard work, dedication. And if you're willing to invest $199 into your own personal business, then I think that this is worth it. And honestly, if you're somebody who goes to Dunkin' Donuts every day or Starbucks or whatever, I mean, if you just stopped going for a month or two, you probably would have your $200. I personally don't go there because I can't, because I have celiac disease. And most of that's not safe, and I also can't tolerate coffee. But anyways, super off topic. I think this program is incredible, and I would love it if you bought this program and you told me how it worked for you. And if it doesn't work for you, then I hope you take advantage of the 14-day money-back guarantee, because I am not trying to scam anybody, and I'm not trying to make you spend money you don't have. Like, if you don't have the money, please don't buy it. Don't put yourself broke trying to buy something. But if you have the extra finances and you're wanting to change and you want to try and make this work, then I recommend it for you. Just put in the time and effort and do your best. And if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. You can get your money back. Just follow all the rules. And I really hope that this was helpful. And if you stuck around for this long, I'm going to show you my current income report for this month as a little thank you. So far for September, I've sold 9 units. I didn't have a sale the first day, and then I had one, and then I had 5, I believe, or actually 6, and then I had 2. So moving on to my Royalties Estimator, which I actually was hoping to have some more sales by now, but I'm still really happy with this. I just got a bit discouraged when I saw the first day I had 0, and then the second day I had 1. I was like, oh no. But it's okay. Yesterday really made up for it, and then today has been pretty good so far. So far I made $22.26. So just to give you an idea of how this month is going. And I also published 2 more books today, but they're not live yet. So I really hope that this was helpful. I know I went into a lot of detail, went off topic a little bit. That's just some randomness for you. But I hope that this video inspired you, whether you buy the program or you don't. I hope it gives you a little bit of inspiration and excitement that anything is possible with KDP and anybody can do this. If I can do it, you can do it too. So thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope you have a great day.